here to talk about my Park Tool professional stand. I love it. There's a reason I got Park Tool. Park Tool's the best. Super easy to use. I love this. I use it all the time on my bike. So to get the bike in and out, you simply have this little flip lever, opens, slide the bike in, locks down. You can tighten it up as you wish. The other thing that I really like is back here I can adjust the angle. Just it turns the bike and it holds. You can also go the other way and it holds. It's super stable, super balanced. And then I also love it because it packs up quick and easy. So if I want to just take my bike out, set it to the side, and then it collapses. It's really small, really quick, so that I can store it. Little clips right there on both sides. It doesn't take up any space. So that's the Park Tool PCS 10. Love it. Would not recommend anything higher.